Studio One third-party plugin. So you can use auto-tune on Studio One Artist, and you can add other plugins on Artist and Professional. See, that got me going. That got me going. Many of you guys been trying to figure out what's the difference between Studio One Prime versus Studio One Artist versus Studio One Professional. I got those answers. Matter of fact, Presonus got those answers right on their website. And I appreciate those guys over at Studio One, man. They show a whole lot of love to people like you and I. Without further ado, like this video, subscribe, man. You already know what it is, man. I'm ready. Let's go. I'm right here on the Presonus.com comparing all three of these versions. Studio One Prime versus Studio One Artist versus Studio One Professional. And these are all the things right here that are different. But I want to start right here at the bottom with the effects. All right, here we go. So, XT Impact comes with Artist, and it also comes with Professional. And then Mai Tai with Artist and Professional. Here's Mai Tai Vajito. Also comes with Artist, Presence. Presence XT does come on Prime as well. As you can see, organs, strings, winds. Sample 1 also comes with Artist. So, man, Sample 1 for Artist. Artist is a free version that comes with something if you buy it, but also you got to pay for it if you don't buy something. Empire Basic for both Prime and Artist. That's an effect for a guitar. That's what it looks like. You get the basic version. I'm not sure if it's the version from 4 and 3, but hey, I'm sure it's pretty good. Analog delay, you don't get that for Prime. You don't get that for Prime, but you get it for Artist and Professional. Analog delay. Analog delay. And then auto filter, you get that for Studio One Artist, but you do not get that for Prime. And of course you get it for a Professional. Beat delay, you get it on Prime. So that's cool. Check. Free version, that's pretty cool. Still don't know how to say this. Binaural pan, is that it? On Artist for panning left and right. Bit Crusher, get that for Artist as well as Professional. So Bit Crusher looks like this. Channel strip, all three versions, as well as the chorus effect, which is nice. It's nice. Compressor. You get Compressor for Artists. That's lit. I mean, I'm over here just adding tracks. You get the console shaper only. The console shaper's right here. You see this right here? I got the console shaper. Woo! But you don't get that. Dual pan. That's only for Professional, in case you guys didn't catch that. Dual pan. You get that for both Artists, and you also get that for Professional. Expander, you get that for Artists and Professional. Here's dual pan. Expander right here. Flanger, you get that with the Prime. You get the flanger for Prime, which is nice. I'll just start deleting tracks. The gate, ooh, you get the gate for Artists. I like that. They've been listening. The groove delay. Groove delay is only for the Professional. Groove delay. Groove delay. IR Maker. I'm not even sure if you guys care about all this stuff, but IR Maker, I don't even know what that is. Level meter. That's Artist, and that's also the level meter. Yeah, the level meter. Check your volume. The limiter 2. Look at the limiter to the Artist and to Professional. Okay, hey, here's been a big deal right here. Does Melodyne come on Studio One Artist? Now, it only says here that it comes on Trial. It does not go on Prime. And the full version is not on Artist. The full version is only on Professional. Professional Studio One right there, so you know, that's going to answer a lot of you guys' question. You can't do a lot of things that you could do in the videos that I'm trying to show you. Mix tool, yes. That's for Artists and for Professional. Mix verb, it comes with Prime. Man, if you're doing Prime, you can start. You can start somewhere. Yeah, It's, man, mix verb even has like a little gate on it. Man, that's lit. Multi-band dynamics for the mastering. Yeah, for sure. Professional. Open air. This is a reverb. That only comes on professional. It's a good reverb. Pedal board for guitars. That's only on professional. Phaser is on all 3 versions. All right, so Pro EQ. Pro EQ. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting on that. Yes, that is an artist. That is lit. It is not in Prime. Studio One. Okay. Red Light District. Yeah, it's also in professional, of course. If it's in what's called RC500 is an extension that you can add. So it's not mentioned in there, but you can buy it on their website. Red Light District, yes, it does come with artist. Actually, it comes with Prime. Ooh, Prime, artist, and I think I remember that. It comes with Prime and professional. Room reverb. Hey, room reverb. Hey, okay. So that comes with artist, and that comes with professional. All right. Rotor, like for organs and stuff, that comes with artist, and that comes with professional. Tricom, that comes with artist. That's a plug. Artist and professional. And extreme. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Okay. So, as far as effects, you're plugged in. You get so unlimited tracks, FX channels, and plugins for all 3 versions. You get unlimited buses for Studio One Artist and Studio One Professional. And then with VCA faders, that's also Artist and Professional. Export video and import as lit. That's for Professional. Studio One remote support. So being able to use iPad and stuff. You can do that on Artist, and you can also do that on Studio One third-party plugins. So you can use Auto-Tune on Studio One Artist, and you can add other plugins on Artist and Professional. See, that got me going. That got me going right there, baby. All right, and then look, track transform. You can do that on Prime, Professional, Artist. Track channel search, filter options. Ooh, it's lit. You can do that for all 3 versions. Okay, so you can see the rest. Song page. Okay. You get a song page, of course, which is, the page. Smart tools, you get all the tools, okay. Side-by-side editors for all 3 versions, that's lit, okay. Show page for mastering, that's only going to be on professional. Scratch pads, professional. Scratch pads is these. Just so you can know what I mean, here's the project page for mastering. And then, what did I say? Scratch pads. Scratch pads are these. So you can make like scratch pad, scratch notes, sticky notes. You can drag and drop. Score view with printing is, Studio One outdid himself. Man, I'm not going to pretend to be a know-it-all. But I know that they did have scores. So like if I put on this track, for example, whatever, just put it there. Scores right here. But I could also print it. Slit. Scratch pad. Retrospective record. Somewhere in here, and I know these settings here, down here. And I don't know exactly what retrospect record is. I'm sure it's right in front of my eyes, but it's new. So retrospective record. But that's on all 3 versions. Rewire support. Okay. Sounds familiar. Pattern editor. Ooh, the pattern editor. So you get this. If I was to throw in drums. See right here. You see that? The pattern editor. That's lit. That goes on what? That goes on all 3. MP3 export for all 3. Ooh, did I read that correctly? MP3 export for all 3? Okay. Mix engine of FX. Okay. So, yeah. Mix engine FX. Yeah, I figured only professional would have that. Mixer scenes. Go to mix. And you can right click right here, scenes. Because I clicked right here. I think right here. Yeah, scenes. You guys can see the browser, of course, that comes in there. Advanced grouping, so you could group. Automatic latency compensation, so when you're dealing with buffering issues or latency, we're dealing with the dropout protection. Studio One has that for prime, artist, and professional. So yeah, comping, that comes with layers, that comes with prime. Man, Studio One they're showing love. So when you get unlimited tracks and you get unlimited comping with Studio One Prime and artist, so man, they're showing love. Control link, yeah, control link. You guys could do your research on these things too. I just looked up what control link is. That's what I like about Studio One. Yeah, the chord track and harmonizing, that's only on professional. You go here and you're just trying to sync it up and get it in the key. And up here, this is what I believe it is. So you can do the chord right here. You can follow the chords right here. I know you also get the keys, I believe, on, let me see. Keys on all three. Tell you which key that you're doing. But yeah, man, Studio One, they showed out. They showed love. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Shout out Studio One, man. God bless y'all. I'm gone.